In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Google Analytics is working effectively for your website. Ensuring that Google Analytics is set up correctly and tracking all the necessary data is crucial for understanding your site's performance and making informed decisions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently check if everything is functioning as it should within Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4. Firstly, you want to start by navigating to the admin section of your GA4 account. This is where the bulk of your configuration will take place, and it's accessible from the lower left corner of your Google Analytics dashboard. Once you're in the admin area, you'll notice a series of columns. Look for the Debug View option. This feature is a powerful tool built into GA4 that allows you to view the data coming into your analytics property in real time. It's an essential step for ensuring your tracking implementation is working correctly. Next, you need to enable debug mode, which will provide you more insight into the data being sent to Google Analytics. To do this, you'll need to use a tool called the Google Analytics Debugger. It's a Chrome extension that's free and easy to install. Simply go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Google Analytics Debugger. Once you find it, click on the link to add it to your browser. After the installation is complete, make sure to activate the extension by clicking on its icon in your browser toolbar. This action will enable the debug mode for your site, allowing you to see an in-depth view of your analytics data. Now, with debug mode fully enabled, it's time to perform actions on your website and observe their impact in debug view. This involves stepping through your website just like any normal user would. You could navigate through different pages, click on links, and fill out forms. As you're doing this, keep your eyes on the debug view in Google Analytics. You should start to see events being recorded in real time. Each action that users take on your site should trigger an event that appears in debug view. This real-time feedback is invaluable because it allows you to confirm that your Google Analytics is capturing information correctly. Watching the debug view, you can track various events and verify that these interactions are being logged accurately. This process is crucial when you've recently made updates to your analytics setup or changes to your website's structure. By following these steps, you'll gain peace of mind knowing that your data is flowing seamlessly to Google Analytics, enabling insightful analysis of your web traffic. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel empowered to monitor your analytics setup and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your data-driven decisions.